Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to channel for expert reviews and automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the best struts for Nissan Titan, handpicked from Amazon's top-rated options. Whether you use your Titan for daily driving, towing, or off-road adventures, choosing the right struts can make a huge difference in ride comfort, stability, and safety. We've researched the top 5 strut assemblies trusted by Titan owners, comparing their durability, ease of installation, and real-world performance. Stick around, because we'll help you find the perfect suspension upgrade for your truck. Number 5. ECCPP 4WD Front Complete Strut. The ECCPP 4WD Front Complete Strut Assembly is designed for 2004 to 2015 Nissan Titan 4WD models, as well as compatibility with Nissan Armada, 2004 to 2014, and Infiniti QX56, 2004 to 2010. This makes it a versatile option for drivers who want a reliable and budget-friendly replacement for multiple vehicles in the Nissan family. The strut comes as a fully loaded unit, pre-assembled with the spring and strut mount, ensuring a straightforward installation. Owners praise it for delivering an immediate improvement in ride comfort and steering response. Many reviews mention reduced noise and better handling, especially when switching from worn-out factory struts. While ECCPP may not be as premium as Monroe or TRQ, it stands out as an affordable replacement choice that still performs reliably for daily driving and light off-road use. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution without sacrificing basic performance, this strut assembly is worth considering. Number 4. Monroe Quick Strut. The Monroe Quick Strut 471358 is a trusted option for Titan owners seeking long-lasting suspension reliability. Monroe is a well-known name in the automotive industry, and this quick strut assembly lives up to its reputation by offering pre-assembled components, including the coil spring, strut mount, and bearing. This ensures a hassle-free, direct replacement without the need for extra tools or spring compressors. Drivers note that after installation, their Titan feels more stable with reduced noise and vibration. The improved damping control is particularly noticeable during highway cruising, where the struts effectively minimize harsh impacts from potholes or uneven roads. What makes this strut stand out is its OE quality design, which not only restores the truck's ride height but also provides dependable performance for both city driving and occasional off-road adventures. While it may come at a slightly higher cost compared to budget kits, the quality assurance from Monroe makes it a smart long-term investment. Number 3. Detroit Axle 6PC Strut Shocks Kit. The Detroit Axle 6PC suspension kit is built for 2004 to 2015 Nissan Titan RWD models, offering a comprehensive replacement solution for worn-out struts and shocks. The package includes 2 ready-to-install front struts with coil springs, 2 rear shock absorbers, and 2 front sway bar links. This makes it ideal for drivers who want to restore their Titan suspension to near-factory condition in a single upgrade. Owners appreciate the all-in-one convenience, as the kit not only improves ride comfort but also enhances stability during cornering thanks to the included sway bar links. Many reviews mention a noticeable improvement in handling, especially for trucks used for towing or carrying heavy loads. Durability is solid for everyday use and light off-road conditions, though extreme off-roaders may want a more heavy-duty option. Still, for the price point and included parts, it's one of the most value-packed suspension kits available on Amazon. Number 2. Detroit Axle 4WD Struts Shocks Kit. The Detroit Axle 4WD Struts and Shocks Kit is a complete suspension solution tailored for 2004 to 2015 Nissan Titan 4WD models. This package includes 2 front-loaded struts with coil springs and 2 rear shock absorbers, offering a full replacement set that restores balance and comfort to your truck. Titan owners often highlight its value for money, as the kit provides everything needed for both the front and rear suspension in one purchase. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its OE-style fitment, and users note a significant improvement in ride stability, especially when driving on uneven or rough roads. Performance-wise, this kit excels at reducing bounce and body roll, making it an excellent choice for towing, off-road trips, or daily highway use. While the included shocks are not performance-grade for extreme off-roading, they provide reliable durability for most driving conditions. Number 1. TRQ Front Complete Loaded Strut and Spring. The TRQ Complete Loaded Strut Assembly is an excellent replacement option for 2004 to 2015 Nissan Titan RWD models. Designed with OE-style precision, this strut comes as a ready-to-install unit, preloaded with a coil spring, strut mount, and bearing. That means no extra tools, no spring compressor needed, and a safer installation. Users praise how it restores ride height and improves handling immediately after installation. Many Titan owners reported reduced vibration and smoother highway driving. Its durable construction ensures longevity even under heavy towing or off-road conditions. While it is limited to RWD models only, its perfect fit and easy bolt-on design make it one of the most reliable aftermarket struts for Nissan Titan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow Nissan Titan owners. Which strut do you think fits your needs best? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we love hearing from you. And remember, all the struts we mentioned are linked in the description for easy access. Thanks for watching Automotive Widgets, where we bring you the best automotive tips, reviews, and buying guides. Until next time, drive safely and stay upgraded.